What's up, guys? At the beach again, doing a little work on the old girl. She needs it. Let me show you what I'm doing. Alright. The original engine is getting tired. It's got a lot of miles on it, but like I said in my other video, I try to take care of it really good. But right now, I got stuff that needs repairs that I can't pay for. It's little stuff like, see down here, the exhaust manifold here is connected to this pipe, and in this pipe is some flap door or useless emissions thing that, because they had to put that flap door, so you can see right here, I cut it, these brackets. It was a thing that came up and had a vacuum line to it, and then a pole that went down to that little hatch. So when you started up the cold engine, the vacuum would suck that hatch shut. All it was for basically was to heat up the engine, to heat up quicker. It's pretty much useless. So anyway, so because they put that little hatch in there, it's not just a connection from the manifold to the pipe. They got this little adapter thingy in there. Now that adapter is so old, it's loose. It came loose, and these manifold bolts, if you can see them, they're rusted. If I try to take them off, they're gonna break, and I'm not gonna do that. Basically, so what I'm doing is, this is JB Weld, the high heat one, and I stuck it in where I believe it's leaking. If it's leaking on the other side of this thing, I have to crawl underneath. I have to get another JB Weld, because I used half the tube there, or I used a third of the tube there, and I figured while I had it out, I also have an expensive head gasket leak. Now that's all, I know it looks crappy, but basically oil was leaking out of there, and I'm not doing that job. So I put RTV on there, and it slowed down the leaks a lot. Unfortunately, it even says in the package, not recommended for head gaskets, but the original head gasket, or I should say whatever was seeping out, was RTV. So somebody did it wrong in the first place. So I'm over here. See, you can see here, all this other junk, all that there is the rest of the JB high heat. I'm just gonna, I know it looks terrible, but I don't care, because you never see this part. I'm gonna put this JB Weld, I put some there, and you can see there's some more over here. Now, I know it looks horrible, but as long as it stops the leak, that's all I care about. So basically, I'm gonna get another tube, put it all there where you see that RTV. I'm just gonna, basically like I did there, where you can see I just buried it like an inch over the seam with a gasket. I'm just gonna stuff it in there, and hopefully it doesn't leak. So that's one of my repairs I'm doing today at the beach. So I just want to do a little video about it, about the old girl, the old engine. She's hurting, but she's just tired. Runs pretty good, because I try to take care of it. So anyway, that's about it, guys. Just wanted to do a video on that real quick. Talk to you guys later. Alright, another thing I'm doing, I got these mats, I guess I'll call them floor mats, kind of. They're for the step in the driver and passenger side when you step up into the van. And yeah, they look a little dirty. I'm going to clean them better and armor all them, just to make them look nice. I know, kind of, you're not supposed to armor all like mats and stuff like that, but I don't care. Pretty much got these, I got these out of a junkyard. A 93 Chevy G20 that was just sitting there. I bought a sway bar from it for $13, because my van for some reason had none. The idiot that I bought off, he probably took it off. It was in his way. He probably took it off and threw it away, because the guy was crazy. Anyway, these mats, I'll show you where they go. They go on the floor here. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. If you guys can see that. Something like that. And they get screwed down. I'm going to get like big washers and screw heads and paint them black. if I can't find any black ones, which I'm sure I can't. But they sit in there, and I'll have it all nice and tight. But I don't know. I think it looks nice, and I picture that all shiny. I think it looks better. I like it. Like I said, I got these. They must have been $2 a piece, I think, if that. But it's good for me because it covers up all the crap. To pull this off, I got a wire running. I just hastily ran what's a wire for my subwoofer amp. And this is all panel. I could paint it, and it just, I don't know. I don't like the looks of that. What do you guys think? You guys can let me know in the comments. It's either that, which is kind of like just a bunch of different, I don't want to say textures, carpet, metal, dirt, a little skid plate, the wire hanging through. We got that. And something with that. And I just think it looks a lot better. It's all one black color. And I could always put black carpet there or something. Or nothing, just leave it like that. I think it looks fine like that. I like that better. It's either that or that. What do you guys think? Let me know. Thanks, guys.